So you're telling me that I can trespass on public property?
This isn't public property.
And you patrol private property?
This isn't public property.
Do you patrol private property?
This isn't public property.
So you're telling me then that you patrol private property? That's what SAPD does, they patrol private property?
You asked me a question, this is private.
Who owns this property?
Private property.
Hi everybody, this is Amanda, aka Pink Camera Magic. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at the San Antonio Migrant Resource Center, and I decided to stop by here because I noticed that Long Island Audit, also known as Sean Reyes, was here and posted a video this morning about an encounter that he had. He decided to stop by. I know he was coming through the area.
It's on me, okay?
Okay, I'm escorting you. Are you refusing to leave?
Why do I need to leave?
Sorry.
It's private property.
Yes, sir.
You're San Antonio police,
Yes, sir.
so you're patrolling private property. What are you hiding in there?
I'm not hiding anything, sir.
Obviously you are. If you won't let me walk around, you're obviously hiding something. Can I get your name and badge number, sir?
It's right here, sir.
Right here. Do you spell that RITEWRIGHT?
Get off property, sir.
Or what?
You're gonna be arrested.
Or I will be arrested. There you go. There's the magic words. That's all you had to say.
Yeah, I really didn't want to come out here at night, but I really didn't have any time otherwise. So here I am. It's like 9:30-ish. Pardon me? Oh.
You work here?
No.
You gotta go on this side now.
Oops. Pardon me. This is a public place, right?
Yeah, you can see on this side. This guy come through here.
Right. Isn't this public?
This is not public now.
Are you SAPD?
Yeah, I'm SAPD.
What's your name, sir? I'm sorry.
Officer Wolf.
You can talk to him here, but come to the code, please.
Okay, so you guys patrol private property?
Ma'am, right there by the code.
Yeah, you can sit out here all you want. Thank you.
Well, I would rather do it from in here.
Okay, ma'am, right there at the code, please.
Okay. I mean, isn't this
Right there where you're standing, right there.
yeah, isn't this public?
Right there.
Uh-huh.
The car list. See where that pole is and that pole is?
Okay. So how come I can't come in here?
Private property.
It's private. You guys patrol private property.
It's private property after that. Okay. I have buses coming in right where you're standing.
Oh, here.
So if you could like maybe just move over so you don't get hit
Yeah.
by the bus when they come in, that would
Yeah.
be great.
Yeah, no, I'll be fine. I can see a bus when it comes. It's not a problem. What's your name, sir?
I'm not gonna tell you.
You're not gonna, don't you work for the public, right?
You could ask me.
Isn't it part of your policy from San Antonio PD to,
My name, my badge number.
yes, name and badge number,
Would you
please.
like my badge number?
Absolutely.
It's 3329.
And your name?
My name is Mike.
Mike what?
You want my last name?
Yes.
Sean Lodge.
Thank you. That wasn't so hard, was it?
Stand right there. That's the second time I've had to ask.
Well, can I, well, what happens if I
You can
stay
be
here?
arrested now.
I can be arrested? Are you sure about that?
You're on private property.
I'm on private, okay, I'm gonna stand here because you threatened to arrest me, but you do understand that
Well,
this is,
I would actually like you not to get by a bus too, or a car.
oh, I will know if a bus comes. Thank you, appreciate it.
I would like you not to stand there when a car comes.
Well, I'm sorry, I'm gonna stand here.
Well, I would like you not to get hit by a car. If you could do me a favor and not get hit by anything tonight, that would really help me out.
Okay, well, I'm fine. I'm very well
For me?
protected with.
Because you're videotaping me, but you're not watching what's coming behind you. Okay? So just do me a favor and don't get hit by anything, alright?
I will be fine.
Promise me?
I will be just fine.
Alright, what's your name?
None of your business.
Oh, so we're having a one-way conversation?
Absolutely.
Oh, okay.
You're the
That's
public.
very
You're the one who
polite.
works for the public here.
Well, I'm polite. I'm asking you.
No, you're not. You're condescending.
Okay. Hey, by the way, there's another car behind you. Can you do me a favor and get out of this way? Thank you.
Plenty of room. I'm just fine. You really like to bark directives, don't you? But I'm going to tell you something right
I
now.
just don't like people getting hit by cars.
All right. So I was threatened with arrest.
That was not a threat.
It was. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, because I asked him flat out. He
I
definitely.
asked you twice to move over there.
I wasn't talking about you.
Okay, but I think I asked you twice to move over there. That wasn't a threat. That was asking you to do something.
And I said, what'll happen if I don't? And said I'll be arrested.
Well, what do you think would happen if you don't?
Well, this is public property.
Trespassing on private property, what do you think would happen?
So you're telling me that I can trespass on public property?
This isn't public property.
And you patrol private property?
This isn't public property.
Do you patrol private property?
This isn't public property.
So you're telling me then that you patrol private property? That's what SAPD does. They patrol private property.
You asked me a question. This is
Who owns this property?
private property.
Owned by who?
I'm not going to sit here and have a debate with you about it.
Well, you keep on trying to, but you want to not have a debate when you don't have a good answer. All right. This is ridiculous.
Hi. Oh, okay. Thank you. You're good.
So as you can see, SAPD is still up to their same shenanigans. But let me know what you think about this audit in the comments, guys. Should we go back? I think so.